And in this particular video I'll be sharing with you how you can send from funds from one particular exchange to another. Let's say this is my Bybit account currently. Let's say I want to send maybe USDT, BTC, Ethereum from my Bybit account to my Binance account. It's as easy as possible. So in this particular video I'll be sharing with you how you could just send funds. But mind you that if you want to send funds from one particular exchange to another, the first thing you need to look into is that particular gas fee of that particular coin. The gas fee determines a lot. Let's say if I want to sell BTC from Bybit to Binance, the gas fee will determine. But a lot of people, when they want to trade that way, they go for coins or tokens that the gas fee is actually less. For example, for people like me, if I want to send my coin from Bybit to Binance account, maybe I'm having Bitcoin and I want to send my Bitcoin from Bybit account to Binance account, what I normally do is to convert that particular Bitcoin. I will convert it to Tron because Tron has one of the cheapest and the less gas fee. I will convert it to Tron, and after I've converted it to Tron, I will now send the Tron back down to my Binance account. From my Binance account, I will now convert it back into BTC. Good tricks or the way you can do it. Let's say I want to send funds. I have some funds on my Bybit and I want to send them back down to my Binance account. Let me show you what I will do. I'll just move down to the assets section here. I'll move down to the assets section here. I will allow it to load. Now it has finally loaded. What I will do here, what I will now do here is that I will have to tap on withdraw. The withdraw button here, you tap on it. I will allow it to load. Let's wait for it to load. The network is a little bit tricky this night. It's loading. So in this search bar, I'll just type the name of the tokens I want to withdraw. Let me say I want to withdraw. I have some USDT. Let's say I want to withdraw USDT. I'll just tap on it and allow it to load us. So now, yes, I've tapped on it, and this is the interface. If I want to send, you can see the couple of questions it's asking me that the coin that I'm sending is USDT. So I'll have to go and pick my USDT address from my Binance account, and I will input it here. Then tap the network, and I'll tap here the amount before I'll be able to do anything. So let's move down to my Binance account so I can copy my USDT address. So let's do that right away. So after logging on your Binance account, what you need to come is to tap on this asset section, and you also have to tap on your USDT. Then you click here, you tap on deposit for you to copy your deposit address, because we are depositing USDT now. You see, it's asking us that is it track 20, is it BNB, smashing USDT, Aptos, Polygon, but the best one and that is cheap in USDT here is to use the track 20. So I'll tap on it. It will bring out our address now. So I'll have to do these two things. I'll have to copy this particular address here. So let me just copy. Let's say for example I want to copy. I believe it has copied now. So after it has copied, I say wallet address copy. So I'll have to move to my Bybit. Now my Bybit account, I'll have to tap on the address. I've tapped on the address. It will bring out, you see now, I'll have to tap on this. Never forget that we use track 20, which is here also. You can see it. That's why you need to know the chain. You see, and we have been to that. The gas fee is 1.6 USDT, like what I was trying to tell us the other time. Each particular coin or token you want to send, each has particular transaction fee which you have used to spend. So we have to tap on that track 20. So here you just input the amount of USDT. Let me say the 50 USDT I was having. So here you tap on. So after you draw, it will ask for your email. So you have to verify using your email, and if you have Google Authenticator link bind to your Bybit account, you have to verify everything. Then you just click on send. After some few minutes, the transaction will be completed. And if you want to send from maybe a Bybit another Bybit account, that one is very cheap and it doesn't cost any transaction fee. So what you just need to do is just come to this particular internal transfer. That means you are transferring from a particular Bybit account to another. You have to come here. So two things are involved, or three things are involved, which you need to do. I've created a particular video. You can watch it because I will drop it in the description of this video. What you can just do is that email address, or you just need the person mobile phone number or the person UID. Once you're able to have any of these, you'll be able to transfer any coins of your choice: USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. You just send it to them. That one is fast as anything and doesn't require any gas fee. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, click on the bell notification, and also subscribe to this particular channel. That you can help us to go faster and hit quickly our 1000 subscriber. Thank you and God bless.